warning for northern Harford County and northern Maryland until 7 o'clock p.m. At 6:20 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado over central Harford County, or 5 miles north of Bel Air, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Cardiff, Whiteford. This severe thunderstorm has a history of producing tornadoes. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Coastal Flood Advisory Unit.